Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be fitting a stem mount to the Specialized Creo. This is the box. This is the contents of the box. Put that box down there. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this piece here. That's the fixing bracket. That's the plate. I'm going to be using the camera mount, and as I got a Wahoo, I'm going to be using the Wahoo mount. And these here are obviously for all the other different out front computers. Yeah, normally I'll use a K-edge out front mount for my Wahoo, and normally got a camera underneath or a light. But as Specialized do an integrated system, I thought, well, let's have a look at it, put it on. So we'll be taking this faceplate off. See that little hole there? Let's pull the cables down. That's where it fixes into. So I'll whip that off and we'll have a look at it. Yeah, so I'm just going to put the bits and pieces I need together. So we'll get the mount. This is the plate. This is the Wahoo, which I'm going to be using. I've already selected the screws. This one goes underneath, you see. A nice little curve on it, if you can see the curve. So we'll put that underneath there. Fix that baby on. And this is the let's put that on. And this one here fits onto, if you can see that, that'll fit onto the back of this faceplate on the stem. Let's get it fitted to the bike. Let's rest that down there. Come on, rest down there. There you go. So I've got the four screws out, and then see it in behind there. Just sits in behind there quite nicely. Look, just doing that was a bit fiddly, that was. So you got a bit of, just tighten it up a little bit. You can obviously adjust. I had to take off the light mount or the camera mount to get in there to do that screw. And you can see, let me look at the camera, there we go, to do that screw. And this is what it looks like at the back. So you got a little bit of movement sliding up and down. So let's put this back on the bike. Alright, make sure you put this one on the right way around. I had it upside down, so it was, the mount was facing up in the air like that. So that's all trial and error, isn't it, guys? Tighten this one up now. I can tighten that up when it's back on the bike again, but I quite like that. I do quite like it sat towards me a bit. I know some riders like it lay it down a bit more. I'll just drive it home on that one. Alright, let's get these let's get the bars back on. And remember, folks, always go opposite corners. I'm not putting any, just getting them there. They're not even biting yet. But alright, let's get the bars leveled. I want them facing up slightly. I'll get the torque wrench on them in a minute and just finish them off on the torque. Once I've got it all lined up, I think I'm happy with that. Just get these torqued off. Nice. Alright, that's them four done. Just screw these home. Nice and tight. You don't want to lose your camera, or you don't want to lose your light. It's nice. Yeah, that's that ding dang do for me. Now obviously at your preference, whether you like your head unit up or slightly down, you got that play there. I'll probably go with that. That looks pretty good to me. I like it just facing a little bit towards me, but I know other people get out of that and then move it. Let's get that screwed off. Right, a bit fiddly. Oh, I got it. It's biting now. I'm just gonna screw that off. Yeah, I think that's a good angle for me. You've always got that little bit of adjustment if you want it. There you go. That's that sorted, nice and tight. And now I can put my light on there. Line that light up so it's not dazzling everybody. There you go, that'll do. Yeah, so I've got all these bits and pieces left over now. So guys, that was the stem accessory mount. I think it looks pretty good. Let's put that box down. I think that looks pretty good to me. Yeah, nice and easy. Looks alright, doesn't it? And obviously my little exposure light up front. There you go. Let's turn that baby on. Nice as that. Right, until next time guys, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.